Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my data in my Google Sheets, and for example, I'm going to highlight the duplicates in this data. First of all, I'm going to select my data like this, and then we're going to go to the format menu and apply conditional formatting. And here I'm going to show you the rules to highlight duplicates in our data. Here we can choose the format rules. We can choose custom formula is. Alright, and you just need to follow this formula. We can use count a formula, and then we can select this range, but we need to add a dollar symbol on it like this. Okay, add the dollar symbol to the range and comma, add comma, and then A3 cell, which is the first cell we have selected. Okay, and then larger than 1. Okay, and we just need to click on done. Okay, and now the conditional formatting has been applied, and as you can see guys, that the duplicates has been highlighted. Okay guys, and that's all the way to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.